Hi everyone, my name is Sarah Oleg. This is my introduction video for COM 320. I am a junior in the traditional BSN program. I was born and raised in Omaha. I did go to Lincoln or UNL for 2 years before coming to Nebraska Methodist. Didn't know I wanted to go into nursing yet, and finally figured that out, and so came to Nebraska Methodist. I just got a new job at Nebraska Methodist Women's Hospital as a formula lab tech, and I'm really excited to start that job. This is my family. There's my parents on the left, and then my two brothers are in the middle there, and then my sister-in-law is directly in the middle with our two nephews, and then my twin sister is on the very far right. One leader that I admire is Ruth Bader Ginsburg. I admire her because she is hardworking, a powerful woman, she's intelligent, and she's also soft-spoken as well. I can't wait to start this class.